Good morning, everyone. So my dad's just dropped us off in a city called Lagos. This is one of the most popular cities here in the Algarve. We came here last year, but only very quickly. We didn't really explore it properly, and it's one of the most famous historic places in the Algarve as well. So right now we're on this beautiful sidewalk here, right at the side of this river, and it is a Monday, so very quiet today. And we're just gonna head in there now because we haven't had breakfast yet, so gotta find a nice cafe to eat at. So this part that you can see behind me is the castle of Lagos. So I read that in the past the castle walls would have gone all the way around the town inside. Yeah, a lot of it's broken and stuff, but this part here is still really well preserved. So yeah, we can enter into the old part of the town through here. You can't even tell there's the castle. Yeah, so on this side it's already just normal looking buildings. The nice little Portuguese alleyways as usual. Are you hungry? Yeah. Yeah, me too. I think the cafes are this way, right?
Yeah, let's go this way.
We found our breakfast spot here. Really nice, laid-back location. Small little cafe. And I got the cafe con leche, coffee with milk. That was €1.60 I think. And Carol got the sumo de laranja. And that was how much?
$3.70.
$3.70. Yeah. And we've also got some food coming. I got this cheese toasted sandwich. This was €3.20. And Carol got the cheese omelette, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and that was $5.50.
Almost a lunch.
Loads of food. What do you think, Carol? Should I get one of these top hats?
Yeah, like this.
Yeah, this one. Portugal. These are very popular here in Portugal. They sell them everywhere. Yeah, so this is one of the main streets, I think. All the way down is like souvenir shops, cafes, restaurants, all sorts of stuff. I did read that Lagos is popular for its nightlife. Not now because of COVID, but yeah, normally I think this would be one of those streets. So we've come out of the main center now. We're just walking around, but yeah, all the roads here are really cool. Loads of little alleyways. And one of the things about Portugal, yeah, a lot of the places we go, it's always nice because there's all like the artwork and stuff, and obviously the buildings with the tiles and the paintings and everything. So yeah, it's kind of like there's interesting stuff everywhere you look. So this place has loads of old abandoned buildings, in case anyone's thinking of renovating some places here. And on this street you can actually see other parts of the castle wall here. Huge one back there. So yeah, there are other parts where the wall still remains. It's completely different, this place, to anywhere else in the Algarve, right?
Yeah, I think it's even a place that we could think of living.
Yeah, there seems to be a lot more going on.
Yeah, I don't know if it's too busy during the high season, maybe.
Yeah, probably. Check this guy chilling. So we're now gonna explore some of the beaches here in Lagos. That's one of the reasons why this city is awesome, because you have the historic part just here, and right next to it, like a 2-minute walk from the main part of the city, you're already at some incredible beaches. So last time we were here, we actually rented some kayaks. We did a kayak tour with a guide and a group of people all the way around here, all the way down the coast. We're gonna walk down the coast now, so I'll be able to show it you, but yeah, I think I'd recommend doing the kayak trip as well, right?
Yeah, it was a nice tour, and I don't think it was expensive. It was okay, an okay price.
Yeah, I'll write the price down.
Yeah, and it was beautiful. We could kayak into some nice caves and it was
Go through the
very
arches.
nice. Yeah, it was very nice.
Yeah, definitely worth doing. Never seen this beach before. I'm not sure what it's called, but yeah, it looks pretty nice. Only a few people here right now. So let's explore some more beaches.
Yeah.
Yep. So the first beach we've come to is one that we've wanted to check out for a while. It's called PRAIA dos Estudantes. And this one is cool because you have a historic Roman bridge. You can't cross that. They don't allow it. It's private land, but yeah, a cool Roman bridge going to this rock. I think in the past there was like a castle or fort, and then yeah, the rock gave away. So that's no longer there, but yeah, the bridge still remains. So we're on the trail now, going along the coast. We're gonna head to another beach that's supposed to be one of the best ones around here, called Praia do CAMILO. Loads of beaches all along the way, look. So you got this one down here, different to the one that we were on previously. So they all have good access from this trail. Loads of empty beaches around here. Here in Lagos, the water actually looks a lot clearer, right?
Yeah.
Than other places.
Yeah. More blue.
Yeah, lighter blue. More transparent. Beautiful colors around here. All right, on we go. So this is yet another incredible beach. Look at that for a view. Called Praia da DONA. You have all these amazing little rocks scattered around. This is the viewpoint though, right?
Yeah, that viewpoint.
Yeah, their viewpoint. Super fancy resort right next to it here. I think these are some apartments as well, right on the side of the coast. We're pretty high up here right now. Yeah, so you're spoilt for choices here in the Algarve. There's just so many beaches, so many little beaches. Hundreds and hundreds throughout the Algarve. It's crazy.
Every time we fly the drone here in the Algarve, the seagulls always go crazy. And as you can see, these ones are very angry with our drone. And we just hope they don't do anything. Oh my god. Wow.
Look at this guy.
Oh my god. They are pretty angry with you, Chris.
Yeah, every time.
Yeah.
I've actually seen videos of seagulls taking out drones, so
yeah, so that's
I get a bit worried.
That's why. Oh! They're gonna attack us, not just a drone.
So we think Praia do CAMILO is just down here. So yeah, we're heading down this trail. The proper stairs are over that way, but we don't want to walk all the way around, so
We prefer the adventurous way.
yeah, the adventurous way. Film Carol falling.
Oh, yeah.
Good view?
Yeah, absolutely beautiful.
Oh yeah, this is the beach. There's about 5 people down there. This is Praia do CAMILO, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is.
But we gotta get down before the shade comes. The sun's going down. I think I'm gonna go in.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I think so. Into the ice cold November Algarve water.
There's a guy there.
Oh yeah, there's a guy swimming out there.
I don't know if maybe he wants to check out those
Rocks.
arch.
Yeah, if he can do it, I can do it. Alright, only the second time. It's colder today though.
Yeah. Good luck
That guy said it gets warmer.
if you swim.
Yeah, it's ice cold, but once you stay in for a while and get used to it, it's actually an awesome feeling. Just gotta swim. Loads of rocks out here though. Check all those down there. Yeah, I'm freezing. I'm like shivering. Because after I got out of the water, it's been pretty much just in the shade. So yeah, I was hoping for the sun. So I think we're gonna head to the top now so that I can dry up and heat up a bit. Probably one of the coolest beaches we've been to, right?
Yeah, I think it's even better better than the PRAIA DONA.
Yeah, the other one down there. Yeah,
very,
me too.
very nice.
So before we head out, Carol spotted this other secret little tunnel here. Whoa. Hello there.
It's like a sinkhole.
Whoa, sinkhole. Yeah, you get these everywhere, but yeah, this one was hidden away, wasn't it?
Yeah, I only found it because of the footsteps.
Yeah, check this out. Beach is up under there, we had to crawl under that thing. We're gonna see if we can actually get a bus back to Portimao. I'm not sure what the bus times are. I've heard they're not so frequent because of COVID, so if we can't get a bus, I'll just get my dad to pick us up. It's not that far anyway. And we were planning on heading to a spot called PONTA da PIEDADE. Probably if you walk about 10 minutes that way, it's there. It's one of the most famous points here. We've been there last year, but yeah, we've done so much already that we'll probably leave it for another time. Yeah, if you come here, you definitely got to visit that place as well. Some amazing rock formations there. We need to hitchhike. Hey, yeah. Give us a ride. So a funny thing just happened. We missed the bus. We were waiting like 30-40 minutes for the bus. And then when it came close, it had Lagos written on it and not Portimao, which is where it's heading. So yeah, it went past, and I think the next one is only in 2 hours. So yeah, I just contacted my dad and he's gonna pick us up. Luckily we have my dad to save us. If not, we'd had to get a Uber or something. And this is the marina here in Lagos. They have a huge marina. And all the way over there is like restaurants and stuff. So I've never been at this part. There must be like thousands of boats here. Look at all these. If you like this video, just drop a like to support us. There's plenty more videos coming from the Algarve if you're liking this content. Subscribe if you like to see more videos like this. Follow us on Instagram, and we'll see you in the next one.